Sleepless Beats.
If you only know this is how I blow to you while I so let's go. If you only knew I'm hanging by a thread, the web I spin for you. If only you knew I've basically sacrificed my beating heart before I lose you. I hold to your word you gave to me. I swear I've lived and dreamt. It's your 420 and I can't sleep without you next to me. I toss and turn like the sea. If I drown tonight, bring me back to life. Breathe your breath into me. The only thing that I still believe in is you. If you only knew how many times I've counted all the words that went wrong. If you only knew how I refuse to let you go even when you're gone. For you are my mind all the time. I don't regret any days with you. We spend something together, nice conversation and SMSs that we send. It's 4:24 and I have a minute to keep constant, so I'm on repeat. If you only knew I whisper a voice in the back of my head to wait the night keeps me close for you, my light till morning sight. The face in the mirror stays the same for your eyes rest on me. If you only knew I'm on your side, I'll let you show I'll be by your side. May the light, the wall is where I am with the Holy Son in your home. Amen. How's it hanging, Jesus? Yeah, it's mine. Every breath I give, chasing for your love. I keep holding on strong for love. Ain't done what's wrong. If you only knew I've carried the weight, building a kingdom with a word that was never mine alone. I beg for the sunrise and hear echoes in the dark dragging me along. When it's done, love is holding on. If you only knew I'm not left setting fire to my soul. I'm done, I'm chosen you. If only you knew. If only you knew this is how I blow to you while I show, so let's go. If you only knew